In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your notification settings on the Pocket Option platform. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, knowing how to manage these settings will help you curate your experience and stay informed in the way that suits you best. So let's dive right in. First, the journey begins at your main hub, the Pocket Option dashboard. This is the control center for all your trading activities and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a small picture or icon which represents your profile. Clicking on this picture will take you to your personal profile area. This is where all your account details and personalization options reside. As you enter your profile, you might notice several tabs and sections to explore. Your focus should be on scrolling down through this page. By doing so, you'll reach an important section that holds numerous settings to tailor your Pocket Option experience. Keep an eye out for a heading that includes settings such as email notifications. This is where you can adjust how and when Pocket Option contacts you. Within this settings area, you'll see options related to subscribing to updates. For instance, you might want to receive alerts about company news to stay updated on any major changes or developments. Additionally, promotional notifications could be of interest if you're looking for new ways to enhance your trading strategies through special offers or bonuses. You will also encounter settings to receive trading statements. These can be crucial for keeping a record of your activity, understanding your performance, and planning future trades. Reviewing trading statements regularly can provide you with insights into your profits and losses, helping you make more informed decisions in your trading journey. It's important to take your time and consider each type of notification, deciding which are essential for you and which you prefer to opt out of. Customizing these settings not only makes your trading environment more efficient, but also helps in avoiding unnecessary distractions, ensuring that you're only receiving information that's pertinent to your trading strategy and goals. Once you've made your selections, your personalized settings will be automatically saved, allowing you to continue using the platform without any need for manual saving. Should you ever decide to change these settings, you can simply revisit this area and adjust them as needed. And there you have it. Customizing your notification settings on Pocket Option is straightforward, but it can make a world of difference. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that it helps you enhance your overall trading experience. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to adjust your settings again. Thanks for tuning in and happy trading.